My favorite topic of the week was the Stanford Prison Experiment. This was my favorite because it definitely stood out more. It's not something normal that you hear about every day. Um, just the fact that random college students were put into a fake prison to act out that life so they could get test results on it. That's not something you really hear every day. Um, uh, Something I learned from this is that people can, you give a person a role and they can get carried away, like how the prison guards somehow forgot that they were supposed to be acting and they took their job way too seriously. And along with the prisoners, how they forgot that they could leave any second whenever they were ready to go, um, if they couldn't take it anymore. So, yeah, I just believe that as humans, if you're given a role, you can just forget. You get taken away and just forget how you're supposed to act. And so, yeah.